Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Monday. Markets were mostly higher to start off the week, with the tech-heavy Nasdaq-100 leading, climbing around 1%, followed by the S&P 500. The Dow also ended up, but the small-cap Russell 2000 ended down about 0.7%. Now, taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, 9 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors ended higher, with communication services up almost 3%, followed by consumer staples. Healthcare and real estate were the only two sectors to end in the red, but barely changed. Looking at some stocks on the move, Tesla ended more than 6% higher today after announcing that it'll be increasing prices for its Model Y EVs in Europe. The price hikes come just after Tesla announced that it would be raising prices on the Model Y in the U.S. in April. Other EV companies that saw gains today included Rivian, which traded higher on news that Rivian owners will now be able to charge their vehicles with Tesla Superchargers. Rivian closed more than 3% higher today. Other stocks that saw gains today included Alphabet and Apple, which climbed higher on news of a potential deal that would license Google's Gemini A.I. training model for use in iPhones. Alphabet saw the most gains on the news, closing nearly 5% higher, while Apple gained around 0.6%. And finally, Supermicro was added to the S&P 500 today. The tech company has rallied more than 900% over the past 12 months on AI demand alone. The stock pulled back today after its S&P inclusion on profit-taking, closing down around 6%. Let's look at what to watch for tomorrow. For data, we'll see permits and starts and the beginning of the FOMC meeting. Then for earnings, pre-market, we'll hear from Xpeng and Tencent Music. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.